Okay, students, then turn over your pages. Open your book at page number 19. It is writing task from your book. Write a character sketch of members of an imaginary family. What you have to do, you have to imagine some person, whether it may be your father, mother, grandparent, an uncle or aunt, about them, or some cousin about whom you have to write something. Okay, there may be a person from an imaginary family, also a person to whom you imagine that he would be like this. His position in the family should be like that. His strengths, his weaknesses, if you wanted to write his appearance, and also the main personality traits that belong to him. Understand? Now read out from the book. You may write about a grandmother, parent, mother or father, and two children, or an aunt, uncle and cousins, and so on. Means you can take any one character from your life or from your imagination, and what you have to do, make sure that at least that the family has at least 3 मेंबर्स. आपको एक ऐसी फैमिली के बारे में ये एक राइटिंग करनी है जिनमें एटलीस्ट 3 मेंबर्स हों. ओके, उनमें किसके बारे में भी हो सकता है. आप ग्रैंड मदर हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट हैं, अपने मदर फादर और किसी भी अंकल आंट के बारे में यू कैन राइट अ पैराग्राफ. एड अ पार्ट टू योर फैमिली. इट कुड बी एनी काइंड ऑफ अ पेट, cat, a rabbit or even an elephant. एक तो आपने फैमिली मेंबर ले लिया, देन आपने उसमें कोई उनका पेट जो है वो ऐड करने. दैट मे बी अ कैट, अ रैबिट और मे बी सम बर्ड ऑल्सो. वट एवर यू वॉन्ट यू कैन राइट अबाउट दैट योर सेल्फ. The best way to go about doing a character sketch is to jot down points whenever you are going to write about the personality. First you have to pinpoint the main points. Jot down main points means जो उनके main points हैं, main चीज़ें जो आप लेना चाह रहे हैं. As you can see in this given picture also, that you have write down the name of the character, then you will write about the position in the family, appearance, main personality traits, strengths and weaknesses. So first of all you have to write some short points, then you can explain them in your own words. You can do so by creating a diagram like the one below, outlining the character traits of each family member and the pet. Place the character's name in the center and the information on them at the end of each arrow. The information should highlight the following aspects of the character. Number 1, position in the family. Now when you will write about the position, what you have to mention youngest or oldest in the case the subject is a child. Mention pet in case that is your subject. Okay, फैमिली में उनका कौन सा नंबर है, किस नंबर पे वो आते हैं, एंड देन उनके जो पेट एनिमल्स हैं उसके बारे में आप देंगे. देन यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट द अपीयरेंस, हाउ ही और शी लुक्स लाइक, वो कैसे दिखाई देते हैं, उनकी पर्सनैलिटी किस तरह की है, काइंड है, बैड टेम्पर्ड है, पोलाइट है, जो भी आपको बेहतर लग रहा है. यू हैव टू थिंक ओवर दैट एंड देन राइट. स्ट्रेंथ सच एज a good cricketer, a player or writer, something like that. You have to write about your own ideas. Weaknesses such as greedy. So this is just given to you an idea. First think over it, then write about the member of the family. Okay, getting everyone? Okay students, now turn over the page number 20. What you have to do, you just first think over the character and then write about the personality. Here in the book it is given कि when you have completed your diagrams, try to use them in composing One-page sketch of each character. You can use a computer for the task. Assemble your character sketches in the form of a booklet. You will need to create a file or point out the pages in case you are using the computer. Design an attractive cover for your booklet with the name of the family and your name as the author on the front. You can make your booklet available for the others to read. So, your today's task is to write a character sketch about a family member. You will write it down in your notebooks. Okay, before writing, first make the diagram as shown in the previous page. At the previous page. Then write down the word bank for the person or one else. What you will write? You can write the word bank. Give the words as I also give you some sketch that if you are going to write about your younger brother or sister, what you have to write the word bank for that person or personality may be younger, naughty, beautiful, tall, hardworking, truth, intelligent, book reader, nice, smart, active, and then write down the class if you are going to write about your brother or sister. So you will start by the name of that personality, then you will tell that in if he is or she is your younger brother or sister, in which class they read and what did they do at home, and what are their hobbies, which color they like, which game they would like to play, are they smart, healthy, whatever. You can write it by yourself. What kind of clothes they like to wear, okay, and what kind of food she or he likes to eat, and what kind of games she or he loves to play. Okay, in this way you can write down about the family member of your family. Okay, getting this will be your homework for today. Understand?